Hi, kindergarten. Today we're going to read the story Bear Snores On by Karma Wilson and Jane Chapman. My question for you is this book fiction or nonfiction? That's right. This book is fiction, and our first clue is that it has some really nice illustrations, and the characters in the story look really fun and animated. If this was a nonfiction story, it would be telling us facts and information, but this story, it looks like it's just going to be a fun story. Bear Snores On. This is a very large book, so it's going to be hard for me to hold. Bear Snores On by Karma Wilson, illustrations by Jane Chapman. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold wind howl, and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat tiptoe, creep-crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark, so he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" and a hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says the hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. There's another clue for our nonfiction or our fiction book. We know it's fiction because do bunny rabbits drink black tea? No. Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps big burps. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniff snuffs in the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew chomp crunch, but the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night, what a storm!" Twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his own lair. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons the stew. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear achoo! He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. Oh no. Do you think they're scared? I would be scared. And the bear wakes up. Bear snarls, and he snarls, and he roars, and he grumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. "You've snuck in my lair, and you've all had fun, but me, I was sleeping, and I have had none." And he whimpers, and he moans, and he wails, and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss, look, see, we can pop more corn, we can brew more tea." Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. Do you know what the bear was doing in this cave? Do you know what it's called when animals sleep through the winter? That's right, hibernation. Well, I think this is a really fun book, and I hope you really enjoyed it.